you peeps from Tzeachten land, it's YCJ coming to you actually live. Well, live on tape. But I'm here, unlike Noelle, who is fakeably here.
Fakeably? Fakeably? I'll show you fakeably, YCJ. Fakeably. I'll show you, YCJ.
Fakeably's a word. It's a word.
Well, not from this planet.
Anyways, there's been a lot of reorg going around on these parts.
Reorg?
Reorganization, if you didn't know, of all the Tzeachten departments. Makes sense since we're all moving into the new Tzeachten admin building. So new and new. Anyways, we're here to give the big reveal at the Tzeachten membership open house. Let's get to it. I'm gonna go talk to the chief and I'm gonna give him 5 seconds or less to tell me what he does. Let's go. Hey chief, can you tell us in 5 seconds or less what you do? Thank you. James, in 5 seconds or less, can you tell us what you do?
Hi, it's James Atebe. I work with council. I support them with their visions, their goals.
You're out of time. Hey, what do you do here?
I am the admin and communications manager. Would you like a cookie?
What do you want the membership to know?
Well, I'd like them to know that they need to go online to sign up for the new membership dashboard on our new website. And we have a QR code for anyone that didn't get an invite, and we can email it to you if you need it.
Hey, can you introduce yourself and what you do?
I'm Antonia Malloway. I'm the Community Connections and Culture Manager. We have lots of upcoming events like our Thanksgiving event in October and Halloween and the Pumpkin Patch. All those events are listed on our website, and all of our events going forward will be listed there, so just check out the new website.
So, can you tell me your name and what you do?
I'm Brandy Wiesbrod, and I do cab and membership, and I also do status cards now for Tzeachten First Nation. If they need a status card, they can renew with me, and I do appointments Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays.
Oh, it's my peeps in finance. Hi, can you introduce yourself and tell us what you do?
I'm Carrie, the finance officer, and we do all of this.
Can you tell us what the membership need to know today?
What the membership needs to remind us as a reminder is to sign up for EFT.
What does EFT stand for?
EFT stands for direct deposit. So if you haven't signed up today.
So, what do you do here?
Hi, I'm Carly. I'm the housing coordinator. I work with Danny in infrastructure. I oversee all of the rental properties in Tzeachten. I try to schedule people to do a free energy audit with us through Indigenous Clean Energy. We're looking for people to fill this beautiful new housing development at Testala-Walla-Lallam on Chilliwack River Road. Email housing@tzeachten.ca and I'll send you an application.
Wow, lands and taxation. So what do you do here?
Everything. See all that? That's all that we do. We can help members with their land, with transfers, with CPs. We can help with building permits. We can help you with your wills and estates. All of our laws we can help with help you understanding that. Basically everything. Well, this is our zoning map. So this represents on each parcel of land within Tzeachten what they can be used for. So the colors do correspond with each individual zone. And then if you look at our zoning law, it has permitted uses, what's allowable within that zone. So today we're just taking some members' homes and their lots and their locations and tracking them just so we can get a better idea of where our members live. And yeah.
And what do you want the membership to know?
That we can help you.
Thanks everybody for coming out. A couple things that we're touching on here tonight is the membership code. Please, if you haven't got the package, the new membership code, and the frequently asked questions, reach out. We'll send it to you and vote whenever you feel comfortable to vote. We have a comprehensive community plan and a survey that we're asking our membership to fill out that is specific to our strategic plan every year. We always want to engage our membership before we go away to plan for the next year or the couple years. And these are 4 questions that we want to engage your membership on this year.
Okay, big ticket item to take away from this event. Vote on the new membership code. And if you need more info, check out the new website. And if you're a member, create your new account on the new website. Then you'll be in the know too. Anyways, this about wraps her up. This is YCJ. Peace out. What do you think of this event? It's a lot. Woo. What do you guys think of the event?
It was excellent. I hope I don't have food in my teeth.
It was a good idea.
I like it a lot.
Oh, I think it's a fantastic event. It's been wonderful. It's been a lot of information passed around, good connections, good vibes. Yeah, I like this event.
Oh my God!
Yeah. Even worse. Tony, you're up.
Hi. York.
This has been Bear Productions.